Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Ivan's here showing us a map. What you got there?
We got more problems here at MIA. You know, we talked about that 1 hour delay. Well, it's up to 75 minutes now. So again, this is one of those issues that we've been having throughout the day. But we have a ground delay, so flights coming in are being held. We have a gate delay, so trying to get out is not a problem. And then also taxiway delays. So pack your patience if you're headed to MIA. We now have reports of 25-minute delays upwards in Fort Lauderdale and new from Tampa as this mist has now moved in. Upwards of half an hour delay. Probably MCO will be following that. So this is, again, because of the pea soup that we have. And look at the tower. You can barely see it with the fog. That is the low clouds. 55 in Miami. That is something, and we haven't been able to break out of it. As far as visibility for us on the ground driving, it's not great, but it's not terrible. You really need to get under, half a mile to start having some issues there. But just be careful. Pembroke Pines has dropped to 2 miles there. 4 miles will likely continue with this as we head through tonight. But notice Kendall and points to the south, 10-mile visibility. That's where the skies have been able to clear, and that's why temperatures surged up a little bit here. So, we had 60s in Homestead, now back down to 59. We also had some sun down towards the Keys, but the rest of us stuck in the 50s, and we're stuck with the clouds. And that's going to be the case for tomorrow. It'll average out to a cloudy day, but by the afternoon, I think unlike today, we will have some breaks, but it will be a chilly afternoon with temperatures getting stuck into the lower 60s. And that's not, again, so much the cloud cover. That's just going to be cold air that's going to get driven in here from the north. I mean, this is still an Arctic air mass up to the north. It'll moderate by the time it arrives down in Florida, but it will still set us up for one of the coldest mornings so far this winter, mid to upper 40s for Saturday morning. Despite full sunshine Saturday afternoon, we'll probably only manage about 70 degrees, and then warming up for Sunday with mid-70s there. Pick of the weekend Sunday if you prefer mild mornings and mild afternoons. That's going to be the case. And then get ready for a stretch of a little bit of taste of spring, I think, heading into next week. You'll see that on Next Weather 7 Day. We got a lot of near 80-degree days coming up with dry conditions. So here's Next Weather rain tracker. Rest of tonight, again, that low cloud ceiling will continue. Now, of course, there's no sun, so that's not going to help us out. And we're going to continue with that bank of clouds through the morning hours with a potential for some patchy fog there with Lisette in the morning. And then by the afternoon, still clouds around, but lots of breaks of sunshine. That should get us, in a better mood for the weekend here. The weekend itself looks great, as I mentioned, with temperatures beginning to warm up after Saturday morning's chill, which will be similar to what we'll experience tomorrow with temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50s from Broward through Miami-Dade, and then down towards the Keys, doing better there with temperatures much milder. 70s for the highs in the Key West, low 60s, so still a chilly day for tomorrow. Then we'll warm things up to about 70 degrees for Saturday after the morning chill. Mid-70s, and this you don't have to, we've had to write down the 7-day for you, right, with all these changes. We are locking in near 80-degree weather and 60s for lows with sunshine beginning Monday and continuing through most of next week.